What's up, guys? This is Disneyland Lover again, and I'm going to be giving you my Audacity project that I brought you last time in a few moments as soon as my desktop finishes updating. And I'm going to give you a quick preview of my new Free Twin Penguin script that I finished recently when I was back in my old house. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I will be talking about the Audacity sound effects that I gave you guys last week. Yeah, that's better last week, so I'm gonna give you a preview of that. So let me just get my computer so I can show you guys what I meant by last week. Just getting it set up here. Alright guys, so this is the Audacity project I gave you guys last time when I was here for my Audacity explaining video. Like I explained to you guys on all that. But I used the wrong bar audience that I gave you on this Audacity project, so I'm going to play you guys a quick preview of it so I'll let you understand what I meant by wrong bar audience. Just set up my phone here. Alright, here's the audio preview I'm giving you guys. Alright guys, that was the Audacity preview I gave you guys of the wrong audience on my Audacity last time, so I have to redo that today, so I'll be back in the next video for that. Maybe the following Saturday, or I don't know yet, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But anyways, I'm going to be giving you the Cartoon Planet videos that I'll be doing for you guys, so I'm going to make sure I get those up for you guys so you can see them again, so I'll let you understand about them. Alright, I'll just set my camera up so you can see them one more time and I'll zoom in on those. Alright, so these are the 4 videos I'm giving you guys for my Audacity project like I did last time. I'm doing A Life in a Day, The Night the Lights Went Out on Cartoon Planet, The Mantis from Atlantis, and Love That Brack. Which, by the way, I'm a big fan of, so in other words, I'm putting it this way into a compilation episode. A Life in the Night the Lights Went Out on the Mantis from Love That Brack. And I said it slowly this time so you guys could understand about it. So I'm going to be giving you guys that in my next Audacity project. So please stay tuned for that. Thanks. I hope you guys understand about my Audacity project now, so that I used the wrong audio on it. So I'm gonna be giving you one more video on my Audacity project, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I'm gonna get started on my Audacity project. So my desktop computer is just starting up very slowly, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Alright? Thanks.